Hi everyone, I'm Monte from JoinX, and in today's video, I'll show you how to activate the second step of the free challenge. As you can see here on my screen, I also completed the first step of the free trial and received an email that explains how I can move on to the second step. Here, you need to select the option on the far right, and you can see that you can choose between the 5K, 7.5K, and 10K account sizes. If you want to continue for free, choose the 5K option and click on Start Trading. And there, you need to enter the Trial 100 coupon code, so the amount to be paid will immediately change to zero. And if you want a larger account size, you can switch here at the top to a $7,500 or $10,000 account size. And then with the coupon code, $49 will be deducted, and you only need to pay the remaining amount. To proceed, you need to fill in your personal information here on the left side. Make sure to enter all your information correctly, because if it comes to a payout later on, we will verify these details. Once you have successfully filled in all of your required information, please do not forget to carefully read and accept the terms and conditions along with the privacy policy, and then you may proceed to click the Continue to Payment button to finish. If you chose the free challenge, then you don't have to pay anything. And if you choose a larger account size, you'll be able to pay the difference in the next step.